Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Silva. Today I'll present two key findings from my visual analysis of the Titanic dataset. A historical record of 891 passengers and 12 variables. Before finding any patterns, I had to clean the data itself. Nearly 20% of passengers were missing an age value, and the cabin columns was missing for over 77%, so I removed it entirely. I also found extreme outliers in tickets fares. Some passengers paid over 16 times the typical price, which I kept using the integral range method. Once the data was reliable, two patterns stood out immediately. First, garnered 74% of women survive, compared to only 19% of men. Second, social class, 63% of first-class passengers survive versus just 24% in third class. Why does this matter? Garner and class were the stronger predicators of survival and stronger than age itself. This reflects the real evacuation policy of women and children first, combined with unequal access. First class cabins were close to lifeboats, while third class passengers faced longer, more crowded routes to the deck. In other words, survival wasn't random. It was structured by social positions and access to resources. Visualizing this with sample bar characters make the gap immediate, which is exactly what good data storytelling shall do. So, what's the broader reason? Beyond the historical history, this shows stay and any emergency or resource allocation scenario. Access and proximity variables, not just individual traits, often determine outcomes. My recommendations: future risks or safety models, whether for transporting, insurance, or crisis response, shall always include structural variables like location and access live, not only demographics ones. Ignoring them, this dataset shows can hide the real cause of the disparity.